In a world where developmental disorders are increasingly recognized and researched, autism spectrum disorder, or ASD, remains one of the most complex and debated neurological conditions. But now, scientists in Japan may have made a revolutionary breakthrough. A new study by researchers at the University of Fukui in Japan has identified a potential biological marker linked to autism. The focus: metabolites found in umbilical cord blood, specifically, levels of a compound called dihydroxyeicosatrienoic acid, or diHETTrE. Researchers discovered that levels of diHETTrE, a fatty acid produced during pregnancy, were strongly correlated with later development of autism symptoms in children. High levels of this compound were associated with social interaction difficulties, while lower levels were more often linked to repetitive behaviours, both hallmark traits of autism spectrum disorder. This research is monumental because it links in utero biological changes with postnatal behavioral outcomes, which bridges a long-standing gap in autism science: how early environmental and biological conditions affect long-term neurological development. More importantly, these findings suggest that biological screening for ASD could become possible just after birth, allowing for earlier diagnosis, support, and personalized interventions. In Europe, autism prevalence is on the rise, not necessarily because more children are being born with it, but because diagnostic tools and awareness have improved. According to recent EU studies, approximately 1 in 100 children in Europe is diagnosed with autism, although rates vary significantly by country. For instance, France and Italy have historically underdiagnosed the disorder compared to the UK, Netherlands, or the Nordic nations, where support services are more established. Early detection is key to helping individuals on the spectrum reach their full potential. This study suggests that by testing for diHETTrE levels in newborns, doctors could predict a child's likelihood of developing ASD, opening the door to early behavioral therapy, parental support, and educational planning. One of the most interesting aspects of this study is the possibility of future prevention strategies during pregnancy. If certain environmental factors, such as diet, stress, or inflammation, are found to influence diHETTrE levels, then prenatal interventions might be developed to reduce autism risk even before birth. Although more research is needed, this could change the landscape of prenatal healthcare across Europe. Some nutrition scientists have even started to look into the role of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, as these play a significant role in brain development and inflammation. Could modifying a pregnant person's nutritional intake influence levels of diHETTrE in the umbilical cord? Future trials may provide the answers. Unlike many autism studies that rely on animal models, this research used preserved human cord blood samples, giving it far greater real-world relevance. By analyzing actual human data rather than extrapolating from mice or monkeys, the University of Fukui team has delivered a major leap forward. This study also sets a precedent for other countries, including those in Europe, to begin similar research using existing biobanks of human tissue and cord blood. While this discovery doesn't mean we've cured or completely understood autism, it does bring us one step closer to demystifying its origins. As the global scientific community continues to investigate the biological, environmental, and genetic contributors to ASD, Europe can play a leading role in shaping inclusive healthcare, education, and research frameworks. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more science-backed insights into health, neuroscience, and the future of medicine. Do you think prenatal testing for autism is a breakthrough or a step too far? We'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update on topics that matter to you and your family. Together, let's stay informed, because science impacts all of us.